Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn the concept of callback function in JavaScript. Callback function is very useful for asynchronous programming that we do in JavaScript. So in this video, one by one we just understand what is callback and what is the use of callback. Suppose I have two functions here like this. One is sum. Here I have two number that I am passing here, and here I am just returning the sum of two number. Now one more function I have result. So here I will pass the result, I say info, and that information will be displayed. Like this. So here what I am doing, I am just calling the sum function like this. I am passing here some parameter, variable, value, and then I am passing the information in the result that sum of two number is equal to like this. We are passing, and I try to run this, and you say that sum of two number is 68. A normal way, just I am using one function here, and in second function I am displaying the result of the first function. Now I can do this thing like this also. Just I cut this, and here I paste it, and I am not using here return. Like this, and then inside the sum function I can call the result function also, and then I call sum function like this. If I run, so I have a same, I have to pass the result also, value also for sum, for calculating the sum of two number, and you see the result is same. So this is what, this is calling a one function within another function, a simple mechanism we do daily, and in Java, in other programming languages also we use the same concept. But here we know that this result function will execute after finishing the execution of some function. That is clear? So now I want that this function should call automatically with this, and we can pass this function here. That is called callback. Just like this. See, I say result, here I pass like this result, and when I calling time I say result like this. I'm just calling this function here, this function I am passing here, and this function is coming here, and here I am just calling this. I am saving it and running again. You see result is same, but now what I am doing, I am just passing this function, this one, inside this function, and then we are passing the value here. So this value will go here and we will call this line of code. So this concept is called callback function in JavaScript. Thank you for watching this video.